Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjum Sheikh and today's video is going to be a study vlog. So let's get started. So I usually used to study in the blocks of 2 hours. I used to study for 2 hours, then take a break, then again study for 2 hours. Like this, I used to complete almost 4 to 5 such sessions in one day. Today I thought that if I increase the time from 2 hours to 4 hours, would the sessions get more productive as compared to what I did in 2 hour sessions. So in today's video, we'll see that 4 hour sessions are more productive or we should do 2 hour sessions. Hey guys, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm going to start the first session of the day. So let's get started. So it's 7 o'clock in the evening guys. I have completed my first session of the day. It was really productive as compared to what I would have done in 2 hour slots. So I still have one more session to go that I would start at 9 o'clock. I prefer at 9 to 1 I would complete that session also. Now it's 9 o'clock in the night and I'm going to start the second session of the day. So let's get started. So it's 11 o'clock in the night. I have just completed 2 hours of my second session. So now I will just make some coffee and then get back to studies. So I'll see you in a bit. It's almost 12:30 in the night. Actually I was going to study till 1 o'clock, but I have a lot of portion to complete from today's topic, so I thought I would take a break now and then I can sit back to study at 1 o'clock and then I'll sit for more 1 hour or 2 hours till I complete the whole topic. So I'll meet you guys in some time. Bye. So hey guys, now the time is 1:30 in the night. Actually I was going to just take break till 1 o'clock, but the break got prolonged as usual. So here I am after 1 hour of break starting my studies again. So let's get started. So finally I'm done for the day. Now it's time to tick mark in the to-do list. This is the most satisfying task to do in the entire day. Now it's 4 o'clock in the night and now it's time to sleep. So I'll meet you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. So guys, it's the next morning. I just woke up a few minutes ago. I'm done with my workout and now I would just go take a shower and then meet you guys. Bye. So hey guys, I'm back. So now it's around 10:30 in the morning. I'm done with my workout. I'm done with my shower. I'm all set to start the new day. So hey guys, as I said, I would be reviewing the 4-hour sessions that I did yesterday. So for me, the 4-hour sessions were very more productive as compared to my earlier 2-hour sessions. Because I have a tendency that if I take a break, the break gets prolonged for extra 15 to 20 minutes. So if I can sit in one point and study for 4 hours straight and just take breaks in between for 5 to 10 minutes, then the session get more productive. These are the time slots in my opinion. So you can see for yourself what time suits you and you can follow that. So one more thing I wanted to share with you all, that even I am a beginner in this exam. I have just been studying for 4 months now and currently I am a 3rd year student in a degree college. So now I am not even eligible for the exam. I am just preparing for it. So let's see how the journey goes. So if you are watching this video till this end, thank you so much for watching the video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a like down below, comment your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.